Welcome to Beer Capitalist New England, where we discover the many smaller communities in New England that offer an oversized beer scene and rank them accordingly. According to the Brewers Association, Connecticut has 122 operational breweries as of 2024. This includes the city of Bridgeport and its extensive brewing scene. This is Brew England, a channel dedicated to all things New England culture, adventures, and beer. Before we dive in, please take a moment to like and subscribe if you enjoy content like this. Located in Fairfield County, Bridgeport is technically the largest city in the state of Connecticut. The city came into prominence in the early 20th century, being the economic center of the state due to its large factories, some of which now house breweries. There's 4 breweries in the city of Bridgeport. Brewport is a brew pub blending craft beer and thin crust New Haven style pizza in a lively casual setting that draws locals and visitors alike. Based in an old industrial building, the brewery also features a great patio and regular scheduled events. Berlinetta Brewing is known for its carefully crafted, easy-drinking beers with a strong nod to classic European styles like pilsners and lagers. The tap room also doubles as a music lover's hangout with a section of vinyl records and vintage analog sound system that adds to its warm, relaxed atmosphere. In the summer, there is an outdoor beer garden with bocce ball courts. This one will sound familiar if you watch our Pawtucket, Rhode Island video. Foolproof Brewing opened their Connecticut outpost in Bridgeport in 2024 and is known for its variety of well-crafted beers on tap, community-centric collaboration like the limited edition Beardsley Brew with Connecticut's Beardsley Zoo, and a lively space that blends good food, drinks, art, and events. 12 Note Brewing is one of the breweries that opened their doors in 2025. Brave, despite shaky economic conditions. It is a music-themed brewery and tap room that pairs craft beer with sensory experience inspired by the 12 notes of the chromatic scale, where brews are musically themed and even have a playlist curated to match them. The cozy Black Rock space is designed to feel welcoming and creative, with lounge-style seating, live music or DJ sets. On tap is a variety of small batch beers on rotating taps from hazy IPAs to session ales. Just missing the cut is a listed brewing in nearby Fairfield and the legendary Two Roads next door in Stratford. While these breweries aren't in Bridgeport proper, they're still an important part of the local brewing scene. Okay, so Bridgeport has a total of 4 breweries, and of the 2020 census, the city had a population of 148,654. This gives Bridgeport a ratio of 1 brewery per 37,163 residents, placing it out of the top 10 and off the chart, between Worcester, Mass. And New Haven. As for quality of beer, we're using review scores from Beer Advocate. Berlinetta leads the pack with a 3.9, followed by Foolproof with a 3.8, and Brewport closes things out with a 3.61. 12 Note is so new that there's not even a Beer Advocate page for the brewery. Get on that. And therefore will be excluded from the average. This gives Bridgeport an average score of 3.77, placing it off the top 10 chart, only above Rockland, Maine. Well, that'll do it for this video. Have you been to Bridgeport and the local breweries? Tell us what you think below. Is there a beer capital that you would like to see featured? Give it a shout out in the comments. Bridgeport, more like Brewport, like the brewery.